Hello students, today we are going to see the new chapter that is related to linking, and linking means everyone know that how to link, how to combine both the things. Like here we are going to see about the spreadsheets, about the book and about the data. Yes, so let us start. So first of all we are going to see that how to get a combined sheet in one, that we can see over here with the help of creating a reference. Okay, so here reference, everyone know that absolute reference and relative reference. Absolute reference means in that the place is fixed, the cell is fixed, while in relative it may change. Like when you are doing a total and you are dragging, so at that time the cell address is changed. Okay, so that is called the relative reference. So yes, we are going to see now that how to do the combination of that, how to combine the data. So here yes, we can see the first topic which is related to the multiple sheets we are having, and in that we are having the reference also, and how we will combine that thing. So let us start. So first you can see over here that I have one data of tiger census state wise. So according to the state and according to the year, you can see the tiger increasing or decreasing over there, so that you can see the data of it. Now I want to get the total. You must be thinking it is very simple. Yes, we can do it with the help of equal to sum over here, right? And then you can select the data. Yes, you have done the selection and you have to just drag it. But if I want in a different sheet, right, that is I want in total number of tigers, there I want it. So what I will do, over there. So yes, we can get it over here in another sheet also. You must be thinking no, it is not possible. Yes, it is possible. What you have to do, you have to click on equal to sign. Why equal to sign? Because you know that we have to give a formula or function, then we have to give the equal to sign and the parenthesis. Yes, now I will go to the tiger census, from where I have to get the total of it. So according to the state we have to give it. So you will drag it from here, that is from B4 to D4. You can even write it also, this thing. Okay, keep the bracket. Now the parenthesis we have to close it. Press enter. You can see over here that this is apostrophe s, or you can say a single quote, which is showing that you are going to combine the sheet. The sheet name is tiger census, and from that which you are saying the which reference you are going to take it. So that is B4 to D4. Press enter key. As you will press enter key, you will get the total over here. You can see it, I have done already over here, so you can tally from there. So 1009. Yes, you can do with the help of mouse and keyboard both. Okay, if you want to write with the keyboard, then directly you have to write equal to sum, and in bracket you will give the tiger census. Please remember, the spelling must be correct of that sheet. If it is not correct, then it will not show the answer, the output over there. And remember the single quotations, why we have to give, because in that we are going to link the sheet. Okay, we are going to create a link of sheet, and in that the reference of that data. So here I will just drag it and it is being done. Okay, now the next topic which we are going to see, that is in different books. Now in different books means different files. Okay, here we have seen in the same file we were doing the linking, but now we are going for different books in which we are going to create a link. You can see over here that I have one data of Yes Bank, another data of SBI Bank. They both are in different sheets. Yes, you can see your book 4 and sheet 1. Here in book 3, sheet 1. Okay, for the Yes Bank. But I want to combine both the things, and I want to get the collective data. So what I will do? So I have the option over here, that is to get the collective data with the help of reference, which we have done it. Okay, but we have done in a same workbook. Now we are going to do in separate workbook. So yes, you will click on equal to what we wanted. We wanted sum. Okay, so we will click on sum. We will write it. Then again, as I have told you, the parenthesis. Now you will go to the book 3. In that I want the total of FD, that is fixed. Okay, so that is the first one. Then the second data, you can see over here, it is an absolute address. Please keep it in mind, this is for the absolute address. Now comma, okay, now I'll go with a comma, and then I want the next also, because two banks are there. So the second bank, in that my FD is 50,000. Okay, so now I have done it. If you have more than two books, yes, you can go for that. Okay, then you will press, you will go with a parenthesis and press enter key. As you will press enter key, you will get the total of collective data. Please keep it in mind, here you cannot drag it, because what is over here, that this is an absolute address. Please keep it in mind, this is an absolute address. Now we will go with another one. Again the same process, equal to sum bracket, and in that you will go with the book 3. Click on the amount of balance, again the comma. Why? Because we want of two banks. Okay, so the next bank, and in that 1 lakh. Okay, then give a parenthesis, press enter key, and your output is ready. So you understand that how to go with different books also. First we have seen of a sheet, right? In a sheet we were doing the total of it, but now we are going with different books which are collected in one another book. Please keep it in mind, another book. Okay, next now we are going to see that how to do the linking, hyperlink, how to create a hyperlink. So yes, I will just click over here in insert and click on link. As you will click on link, here it is asking text to be displayed. So which text, on which text you will get this linking. So click to get the image. Okay, I have written. Now, so now I want to go with this image. Click on OK. Right, so you can see the text on which I will click, so that is click to get the image. I will click on that, so my image is ready. Okay, so this is about the linking, right? In that we have another option also, linking. Now again I'm writing here, click to access the sheet. So place in this document, you can see existing file web page. So in that different folders, in that wherever you are having the file, that can be linked. Now I want in this only, in this file wherever it is. So I will place the document, that is 2020, the year 2020 sheet. I will get it over there when I will click on that linking. So click on OK. As I will click on OK, now I will click. You can see here I am on the 2020 sheet. Okay, if I want to get back from here, yes, I can get back. So here you can see where I have done this thing. I have done in total number of tigers. So yes, I can go for it. Link. I will go with over here. Okay, place. Now total number of tigers. Okay, click on it. You can see here this is magical. Yes, we can create the linking. Okay, now the next, and this is the last one in this topic, that is importing the data. Yes, importing the data. Till now we were working with only Excel. Now we are going to import the data from the database, that is Access. So yes, we'll go to the data tab. In that get data, you will go with from database, and in that the option from Microsoft Access database. Okay, I have already one database. I will click on that and click on import. Okay, now it is asking you that if you want to select multiple items, then you can go with multiple items also. Like I want the marks and student, both the things I wanted. then I can go with both the tables. Yes, click on it. Okay, it is loading the data. Yes, click on it. Yes, I will go to the sheet. You can get the data over here. Select it. Sorry. Again, I will go with it. Get data from database, Microsoft Access database, and then I will select the table product. Selected. Yes, I have not written anything over here, and also we will just go for it. Okay, we have selected the table. Now we will click on it, keep, and yes, you will get over here the field name. Yes, you can see the field name over here. Okay, so this is about it, that how to import it your data. Hope you all have understand all the topics. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.